Welcome to Virtual Pools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Virtual Pools lead generation plugin to your Hostinger website. It only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through every step, from copying your unique code to embedding it on your site. Let's get started. First, log into your Virtual Pools dashboard. Go to the Customer section and click on Lead Generator. Then, create a new lead generation tool. Select Embed on Site and choose your preferred language from the menu. Copy the provided link or code. Finally, open your Hostinger editor. Create a new section where you want your lead generator to appear. Once the section is ready, click inside it so that's where the code will go. Now, click the Plus Elements button and select Embed Code. A window will appear. Select Enter Code to edit. In the code field that opens, clear the existing text and paste your lead generator link. You'll notice a note right here that says, "Please note that not all embed codes are visible within editor and preview modes." So, if your lead generator isn't showing, just click Go Live to publish. It'll appear there for visitors. Camera access is supported on Hostinger, so visitors can take a photo directly. To make it work, your iframe must include the permission. Allow camera. And that's it. Your Virtual Pools lead generation tool is now live on your Hostinger site, ready to capture new pool design leads. If you ran into any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. For more guides, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.